Hey everyone, it's Lawrence and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today we're diving into the world of DIY lighting. We're talking about taking your space from blah to ah with some seriously stylish lighting projects. And the best part? You don't need to be an electrician or break the bank to achieve those magazine-worthy looks. We're going to be using simple materials, a little bit of elbow grease, and a whole lot of creativity to make your home shine bright like a diamond. So, are you ready to ditch those boring old fixtures and infuse your space with some personality? Grab your glue guns, round up those spare light bulbs, you know you have some, and let's get crafty. First up, we are tackling a DIY classic mason jar pendant lights. Seriously, is there anything mason jars can't do? For this project, you'll need some mason jars, pendant light kits, wire strippers, and a screwdriver. We're going for that rustic chic vibe, so think about adding some personal touches like twine or chalkboard labels. Once you've prepped your jars, it's time to wire them up. Just follow the instructions that come with your pendant light kit. The key here is to be patient and make sure those wires are connected nice and snug. Now for the fun part, hanging your masterpieces. You can go for a cluster of different sized jars over a kitchen island, or create a romantic ambiance with a pair of matching pendants over your dining table. And don't forget about outdoor spaces. These mason jar lights look absolutely magical strung up on a patio or pergola. So go ahead, channel your inner Joanna Gaines, and get ready to bask in the glow of your very own mason jar pendant lights. Okay, wine lovers, this one's for you. Instead of tossing those empty bottles, let's turn them into a conversation-starting chandelier. Gather your bottles, choose interesting shapes and colors, and make sure they're clean. Break out the glass cutter, follow the instructions, and wear protective gear. Once you've got your bottles cut to the desired length, smooth out the edges with sandpaper. Add the light kits, and carefully wire each bottle, making sure all the connections are secure. Assemble your chandelier using materials like metal chains, thick rope, or repurposed wood. Hang your chandelier and step back to admire your handiwork. This wine bottle chandelier is the perfect blend of rustic and refined. Cheers to that. Let's bring the great outdoors in with this stunning driftwood floor lamp. When choosing your driftwood, look for pieces that are sturdy and have interesting shapes. Drill a hole through the back of your main driftwood piece for the electrical cord. Thread the electrical cord through the hole and attach it to a lamp kit. Make sure all the connections are secure, and then test the lamp to make sure it's working properly. To finish off your driftwood floor lamp, you can add a lampshade or leave it bare for a more minimalist look. You can also add some extra touches like wrapping the cord in twine or adding some decorative stones around the base. This lamp is a true statement piece, and it's a beautiful way to bring a touch of nature into your home. Get ready to drift off to dreamland with this whimsical paper lantern cloud. This project is perfect for adding a touch of magic and wonder to a child's bedroom, nursery, or even your own little reading nook. For this project, you'll need a bunch of paper lanterns in various sizes, fishing line, a hot glue gun, and LED tea lights or fairy lights. Start by arranging your lanterns on the floor in a cloud-like shape. Once you're happy with the arrangement, start attaching the lanterns together with your hot glue gun. Cut lengths of fishing line and tie them to the tops of the lanterns. Use these lines to hang your cloud from the ceiling, adjusting the lengths to create a more organic, cloud-like effect. Finally, add your LED tea lights or fairy lights inside the lanterns. You've created your very own dreamy paper lantern cloud. This project is a great way to add a touch of whimsy and personality to your space. Calling all industrial design lovers, this pipe sconce is the perfect way to add a touch of edgy sophistication to your space. For this project, you'll need some black iron pipe fittings, a wall flange, a light socket kit, and a vintage-style Edison bulb. Start by assembling your pipe fittings to create a variety of different looks. Attach the wall flange to the wall where you want to hang your sconce. Wire up your light socket kit according to the instructions. Attach the socket to the pipe fitting and screw in your vintage-style Edison bulb. Finally, attach the pipe assembly to the wall flange and tighten everything down securely. Your industrial pipe sconce is complete. This project is a great way to add a touch of personality and style to your space without breaking the bank. Ahoy there, mateys! Get ready to set sail with this nautical-inspired rope pendant light. For this project, you'll need a length of thick rope, a pendant light kit, a ceiling hook, and a decorative ceiling medallion. optional. Start by threading the rope through the pendant light kit and tying a secure knot at the top. Install the ceiling hook according to the manufacturer's instructions. Hang the pendant light from the hook and adjust the length of the rope to your liking. Wire up the pendant light kit according to the instructions. Screw in a clear glass bulb to showcase the rope detail. This rope pendant light is a fun and easy way to add a touch of nautical charm to your space. Calling all fans of rustic charm, this pallet wood wall light is the perfect way to add a touch of warmth and character to your space. For this project, you'll need a few pieces of reclaimed pallet wood, a light socket kit, a wall mounting bracket, and some wood glue. Start by cutting your pallet wood to the desired size and shape, then sand it down to remove any rough edges. Drill a hole in the back of the wood for the light socket kit and attach the socket to the wood. Attach the wall mounting bracket to the back of the wood using wood glue and screws. Attach the entire assembly to the wall, making sure to hit a stud for extra support. Wire up the light socket kit according to the instructions, and then screw in a light bulb. This pallet wood wall light is a beautiful and unique way to add a touch of rustic charm to your space. Get ready to elevate your dining room or bedroom with this minimalist yet chic embroidery hoop chandelier. For this project, you'll need a few embroidery hoops in various sizes, some twine or thin rope, a pendant light kit, and a ceiling hook. Start by wrapping the embroidery hoops with twine or thin rope. Attach the embroidery hoops to each other using twine or thin rope to create a variety of different shapes and configurations. Attach the pendant light kit to the top of the chandelier structure using twine or thin rope. Install the ceiling hook according to the manufacturer's instructions. Hang the chandelier from the hook and adjust the length of the cord to your liking. Wire up the pendant light kit according to the instructions and then screw in a light bulb. This embroidery hoop chandelier is a stunning and unique way to add a touch of bohemian elegance to your space. And there you have it, 8 DIY lighting projects that are sure to brighten up your space and unleash your inner design star. From rustic mason jar pendants to chic embroidery hoop chandeliers, there's a project for every style and skill level. Remember, the beauty of DIY is that you can truly make it your own. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials, colors, and styles to create something that reflects your unique personality. Now, I want to see your creations. Share photos of your DIY lighting projects in the comments below, or tag me on social media using #Crafty Corner Pro Max. Your creativity never ceases to amaze me. If you love these bright ideas, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more DIY goodness, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay crafty and keep shining bright.